Hello everyone, my name is Ritika from grade 10C. You may see what was the magic here. Bubbles were coming out. Let's find out what was.
As we see that the bubble is coming from out, that the reaction is take placing. That fastly the bubbles come from out, coming from out the test tube. The reaction is take
This
place.
confirmations, we can get the candle closer to the test tube, so we can get a sound. What is this sound? This is pop sound.
Hydrogen, gas, and plus salt.
Fine. So, how did you confirm that this is the hydrogen gas?
With pop sound test.
Correct. Nice.